Hi everyone and welcome to Select by Pinkvilla, and today I bring you another exciting episode of Beauty on Duty. PS, this is not a sponsored video. So today I have 3 best-selling products from K-Beauty, and as we all know that this is by none other than Katrina Kaif herself, and this will be my first time trying out her products. I always wanted to try because I've heard such good reviews about these products. So yeah, let's go in and try these products. Katrina has launched a whole range of makeup products, and I'm always excited and curious to know which makeup products is she launching next. However, I have these 3 products, and I have K-Beauty Metal Eyeshadow Stick in the shade Navigator, and this is for rupees 509. And then I have K-Beauty HD Liquid Concealer in the shade 140Y Medium, which is for rupees 799. And I have K-Beauty Cream Blush in the shade Rosy Romance, and it's in rupees 799. All of them are pretty reasonable. So as you can see, I've already applied my own foundation and I am done with my eyebrows. Now I am going to use K-Beauty Concealer. So this is the first product that I'm going to use. So the concealer is also enriched with marula and rose hip oil. So marula is a really good antioxidant and it is very good for acne prone skin as well. And rosehip oil, it's a really good hydration for your skin. So let's see and try it out how good of a concealer this is. Interesting brush. It's curved in the front, and I think this is for the corners. So the curved brush is really easy for the nooks and corners of your faces. So this concealer shade is definitely for those who have a warm skin tone. I got this online. However, I should have got one shade lighter to this, but no worries, even this is working for me. It's blending really beautifully, and it's not too drying to the skin because some concealers are drying. Now I'm gonna go in with my blender and blend it. All right. So I just finished applying this concealer. It exactly matched my skin tone. I could have got one shade lighter than my skin tone, but still it worked. I think this does not give you full coverage, but those who like natural makeup finish and the no makeup look, I think this is perfect for you. Alright, so next up we have Metal Show Eyeshadow Stick on the shade Navigator because I want that blue pop on my eyelids today. So this eyeshadow is also enriched with ceramide and macadamia oil. So ceramide is really good for your skin cells and it prevents your skin from dryness and irritation. It also protects your skin from environmental damages. Macadamia oil, it prevents premature wrinkles, and this is also an antioxidant for your skin. Wow, this is so interesting because I don't remember the last time I used a stick eyeshadow, so I am pretty excited to use this. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and I was struggling for a couple of minutes to actually roll this. I thought it was the roll up kind of eyeliner pencil thing, but it's not. You will be needing a sharpener for this. Ooh, okay, it is pigmented. Wow. So let's see how well it blends. I like the eyeshadow more than the concealer. It's really easily blendable, but I wish it just had a automatic roll thing instead of sharpening it, because nowadays I don't feel like carrying a sharpener with you every time is quite convenient. I love the pigment, it's perfect, and the color is just gorgeous, so I love it. So next up, last but not the least, we have this liquid blush in Rosy Romance. So I've heard a lot of good things about this blush. So I'm really looking forward for this blush. So this cream blush is enriched with cranberry and avocado oil. Both of them are enriched with vitamins. So cranberry has vitamin E and vitamin C, and avocado oil improves overall skin health. So this blush, liquid blush, comes in a tube. I think it's really convenient for you to carry or use it anytime, anywhere you want. Just taking this much, like really little. Very nice creamy texture. This is also giving me pigment. I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender. So I really like this blush. It is so pretty. The color is so pretty and it blended so well. It is pigmented. You can carry it in your purse every day. It's super lightweight, and I am more of a liquid blush fan. I always have been, because it can be used for a lot of things, not just your cheeks. And this is one product I think all of you guys should have for everyday use. It gives life to your face actually. Just look at the color. It's so pretty. I just love it. So this was it for today. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Select by Pinkvilla, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!